Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a group of animal friends: Leo the lion, Bella the bunny, Sammy the squirrel, and Oliver the owl. They were known for their kindness and helpful nature. One sunny day, Leo noticed that the village was in distress. The crops had withered, and the animals were hungry. Leo gathered his friends and suggested they find a solution to help their fellow villagers. The friends decided to organize a talent show to raise funds for the village. They went from door to door, inviting everyone to participate. Animals of all shapes and sizes came forward, showcasing their unique talents: singing, dancing, juggling, and even magic tricks. The day of the talent show arrived, and the entire village gathered to watch. The performances were incredible, and everyone cheered and clapped for each participant. The friends were overwhelmed by the support they received. At the end of the show, Leo thanked everyone for their contributions and announced that all the money raised would be used to buy seeds and food for the village. The animals were overjoyed, knowing that they had made a difference. As the days passed, the village flourished again. The crops grew abundantly, and everyone had enough to eat. The animals realized that by coming together and using their unique talents, they could bring happiness and prosperity to their community. The moral of this story is that when we unite and use our strengths for the greater good, we can overcome any challenge and make a positive impact on those around us. No act of kindness is too small, and together we can create a better world.